Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Amanda Destiana Habibah. Lesson number name 67. Okay, I give you a material little a short story. Let's listen and enjoy watching and listen. Okay. Definition: short story are short narrative work of fiction, usually focusing on one main plot with a limited number of characters and settings. He often explores the themes or central idea and emphasizes cohesion and impact. Unlike novels, short stories are more direct to the core of the problem and its solution, with more focusing characterization and plot development. Next, component: plot exploration, bringing action climax, failing action resolution, characters, protagonist, antagonist, supporting characters, setting, time plus atmosphere, themes, central idea or message, point of view, one-side person, 3RG% limited, 3RG% omniscient, style, author, unique writing, voice. Crafting a short story. Develop a strong concept. Develop a strong story concept. This means having an interesting and clear main idea. Create believable characters. Create convincing characters. The characters must feel real and relatable to the reader. Establish a vivid settings. Create a vivid and detailed settings. A good setting can level up the story and create a certain atmosphere. So don't tell, so not tell. It emphasizes the use of description and scenes to convey information, not just explain directly. Focus on impactful detail. Focus on impactful detail. Choose important and relative detail to support the story. Revise and edit urgency surface. Next, the art of the narrative. 1. Exposition. Beginning. This is the beginning of the story. Introduces the settings, character, and initial situation. Think of it as laying the groundwork of everything that follows. The mood is set and main characters and introduction to bringing action middle. This section contains a series of events that build suspense and conflict. Conflict can be internal, within a character, or external, between characters, or between characters and their environment. Tension steadily increases, leading to the climax. 3. Climax. Turning point. This is the peak of the tension in the story. It's the most crucial and decisive moments where the conflict reaches a critical point. Usually, a major shift in the story occurs after the climax. 4. Falling action. After the climax. After the climax, the tension begins to decrease. The section explains the consequences of the climax and prepares the way for the resolution. The conflict begins to unravel, though themes may still be minor obstacles. 5. Resolution end. This is the end of the story where the main conflict is resolved. It's not always a happy ending. but its sole profit and sense of closure or resolution for the reader regarding the problem that were been full of throughout the story. It provides a conclusion and final picture of the situation and characters. Okay, the arts of the narrative. Next. Okay, the art of the narrative exposition beginning. Recent action middle, climax turning points, failing action after the climax, and resolution ending. Okay, next slide. Okay, bringing characters to life, creating believable and engaging characters, including methods like showing, not tellings, and using dialogue effectively. Okay, next. The power of setting. Setting contributes to mood, atmosphere, and plot. Example of how setting can impact a story. Okay, next. Unveiling the deeper message. Explanation of themes, its importance, and how it's conveyed ability through both characters and settings. Okay, next slide. Okay, whole story is a different point of view, first person, third person limited, third person on season, and their impact on the reader experience. Okay, thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.